Subscribe to Tech Altitude and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest videos. Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Altitude. My name is Abhishek and this is the third video of the mobile accessory series. In this series, I help you to shoot better videos with your mobile phone using some accessories. If you are new to the channel, you should check the previous two videos based on this series. Now starting with this video. This video is focusing on the lenses of your mobile phone. Ultra wide lenses are really in the buzz right now. If you see any of the flagship mobiles, for example iPhone 11, the 11 Pro, or Samsung's S20, S20 Ultra series, every phone has or is coming out with an ultra wide lens. But these phones are really expensive. They are about almost a lakh rupees expensive. If you have a slightly older flagship or a budget phone and you also want that ultra wide lens capabilities, then I just have a solution for you. This is a lens kit that I got from Amazon. It's from Signi Pro and I got this in 2000 rupees and it has pretty cool features. Let's check this out. So the lens kit from Signi Pro is an clamp-on lens system. To be honest, I've seen this type of attachments for mobile phone on Instagram advertisement and also on YouTube. To be honest, I never believed that this is a nice accessory that you should add on your phone. But after using this lens kit for a while, I am convinced that yes, this lens system is really nice. Check out the build quality. It's for 2000 rupees and the build quality, the fit and finish is really nice. There's not so even a minute space so that a dust particle can get inside it. There's no space at all. It feels like it is for rupees 5000 or 6000 rupees, but it's pretty cheaper. Now coming on to the lens. So this lens kit comes up with two lenses. One is a 0.45x wide angle lens and the other is 15x macro lens. The wide angle lens will help you to get more on your photograph in a single image. Your mobile phone already has a wide angle lens, but adding on this lens kit will increase the field of view of your mobile phone. Clamping on this lens kit is really easy. You just have to open this clamp and place it on your camera, and there are 4 markers inside the lens that will help you to guide or to position the lens correctly. Speaking of the clamping force is not that much, but it's good. It does not move when you're clamped on your phone and it does not ruin your mobile phone screen. It has internal soft padding inside it, so it will not damage your mobile phone's lens cover and also your screen. Here are some shots that I took with mobile phone's camera and the same shot with just add on this lens kit. So here's the first photo that I took without the lens kit. This is the second photo that I took with the lens kit. They are used to get more in a single image. It's not really focusing on the edges of the image. It's about how much you get in one photograph. Coming up next is the macro lens of this lens kit. You have to just unscrew this ultra wide and you get a macro lens in this kit. So the macro lens will really help you to go closer to your object. If you are in a macro photography kind of guy and you like to go deep into details of your object, then this lens kit will help you with its macro lens. When you attach the macro lens, it will help your mobile phone to gain the 15x macro. Here are some of the photos that I took with the macro lens. So this photograph is without a macro lens itself, and as you guys can see, I cannot go in more deep inside. Even if you try to zoom with your mobile phone, the image will tear off. It will show up less sharpening and the pixels will deteriorate after zooming more on the object. And here's the shot with the macro lens added. Yes, the sides of the photograph are a little bit blurred, but our main focus is on the center of the photograph. Yes, this macro lens does increases your macro photography capabilities of your mobile phone, and it really works. Nowadays, OnePlus and other mobile phone manufacturers are adding this in their mobile phone software, but if you have an older phone or a budget phone, then this micro lens will improve your macro photography capabilities. Last up is this case that comes with the Lense. This case is made up of foam. It has a simple chain mechanism, and inside the case there are cutouts to keep the lens and its clamp, and on the left side there's a pouch that you can, inside which you can keep your microfiber cloth and an instruction manual that I've kept inside, but you can keep other things inside just in case you need it. So that's all for the Signi Pro lens kit. If you are doing videography and photography on your mobile phone, on your smartphone, then this is a must-have thing in your arsenal. This thing will really add a perspective in your photograph or your videos, and it does not affect any of your images at all. So that's been it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.